Today I'm sharing an affordable way to organize your Cricut machine, materials, tools, and accessories all in one portable cart. This video is for those of you who have a Maker or Explore machine, so the bigger machines, along with an EasyPress, accessories, tools, and materials. This is going to be an ideal video if you want to organize all of your Cricut supplies, but you don't have a dedicated craft room or even a dedicated closet to put everything in. So let's jump in and let's get organized. This video is sponsored by Crafit, the makers of this cart that we are organizing with today. I have shared a lot of different ways that you can organize specifically your Cricut or an entire craft room. If you want to see my latest craft room tour, you can take a look up here. So today we're focusing on just the Cricut machine, the accessories, the tools, and the materials, and we're going to organize them all on this cart. This Cricut storage cart measures about 24 wide by 14 deep by 29 high. We fit a Cricut Maker or Explore machine on top perfectly. The cart's made out of white wood and it comes unassembled. There is an assembly video you can watch and some instructions that come with it. If you've ever put together IKEA furniture, you're going to find this pretty easy to do. I like that this cart is sturdy. It's on 4 wheels, but the wheels do lock. So when I put my Maker 3 on top of it, which is really heavy, it holds up really well. I also like that in addition to holding the machine, it can also cut with the machine on it. Some of the other carts that I've tried, I have to actually take my machine off to cut because the cart shakes too much. This one does not. I can use my Maker right on top of it. I am also able to store a ton of stuff in here. I can fit 9 rolls of vinyl on the side and I can fit 15 rolls underneath. You can also store sheets of cardstock or vinyl in the shelves. So I gathered up my Maker 3 and all of the tools, accessories, and materials that I would use if I owned only this machine. Now this is a lot of stuff. I have a machine, 2 EasyPresses, a roll holder, a Brightpad, accessories for my EasyPress. I have infusible ink. I have a foil kit. I have all my tools, so my scraper, my weeding tool, my Cricut trimmer, and then I also have some containers that store my scraps of vinyl. Then I grabbed all of these vinyl rolls. So let's take all of this and organize it on the cart. This cart is ideal if you are looking to organize your Maker or Explorer machine along with all of the most common tools and accessories. So your EasyPress, your cutting mats, your rolls of vinyl, your pens, your foiler, your trimmer, all of that good stuff. It fits on this cart. And I love that I can easily use my Cricut on this cart and it's not gonna shake. This is a really sturdy cart. If you are looking to organize your Cricut and everything that goes with it, take a look at the link down in the description. You can get this cart on Amazon, probably have it in the next couple of days, and you can start organizing. Be sure to take a look at my other Cricut organizing videos down in the description. And if you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I am here every week with new craft tutorials, reviews, and tips on how to get the most out of your Cricut. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.